What I'm going to show you now is a very powerful way of searching for candidates to add to a marketing list. So in this case, we've got the marketing list we developed before, where we added 3 names by picking them. What I'm going to do now is click on Manage Members, but rather than use the lookup to find members, I'm going to use Advanced Find. So I'll click the box there and click OK. Now what I'm going to do now, this might look very complicated, but it's not once you get used to it. So I'm going to search for contacts, and here I'm going to select, let's say, job function. So scroll down to job function, and I'm going to say equals. There are other options in here, but in this case we want equals. Now click on this box here, and these are the job functions which hopefully most candidates are categorized by. So let's say we're looking for somebody in sales. Now I can actually add more than one function in here, but just for demonstration purposes, let's stick to sales. Okay, click OK. Now, as well as being somebody who's in sales, I want to look at the industry that they're in. So let's say if we click on the industry here, and let's say we want to look at those that are in the telecommunications business. Okay. So we're looking for somebody in sales, in telecommunications, and let's say we now want to look at their seniority. And let's say, so let's pick out seniority level, and let's say we're looking for somebody at middle management level. Okay. Again, you can add more levels if you want to, but let's keep to 1 just for simplicity's sake. Click OK. Right. Now then, what you can do then is click Find. It will go out and find all those people who are in sales, in telecoms, in middle management. In this case, it's found 5. Now, we can click this box up here and select all of them, or alternatively, we can pick the ones that we think might be better to have a look at. At any stage, you can always click the link to the individual and go and have a look at their record and decide whether you actually want to add them or not. Okay. So in this case, we're having a bit more of a look at Anthony Long. We can look down through all his information, what have you. Okay, well, I'll close that down now. And I'm going to decide, in this case, I'm not going to include Anthony Long. Okay, so now add only the selected members to the marketing list. Yep, okay, add to marketing list. Click that box there. Now, if we come back to our marketing list, you'll notice it's now grown by 4 names. As you see, that is a very powerful way of searching.